Stop settling for average product photos. Today, I'm showing you the professional and easy AI workflow to create high-quality studio photos that convert without spending thousands and hundreds of dollars with a professional photo shoot. First, I will show you how to transform low-effort phone photos of your product into high-quality studio professional photos for your product listing. I will walk you through the exact prompts and workflow you can copy to make your work easy, quick, and high quality with your images looking 100% like your real product while AI handles the rest. So let's start with this photo. Yes, I know I could have done a better job, but I actually wanted to show you that even something like this can become this. Now, let's start it. I'm going to use ImagineArt, which is a complete AI image and video generation platform with all the best AI video and images models. And they also have some ready-to-use workflows that are super helpful to make your work faster. And today we're going to use one of their ready workflows that you can plug your photos and generate high quality studio photos for your product listing, and then you'll be able to use to all of your products. To get to that studio look, I'm jumping straight at ImagineArt Workflow E-commerce listing. This is a node-based studio, which sounds fancy, but don't worry, it's not technical. It's very easy to use, but it basically just means I can see my whole creative pipeline from start to finish. And this one already have everything you need to create great product photos without needing to prompt it. I'm starting with this raw photo that I did with my phone to use as my input node. Okay, so once you are here in the e-commerce listing, all you have to do is click on duplicate, and it's gonna duplicate this workflow to your own profile. Okay, so here's the full workflow. Do not get scared. It's incredible, easy to use. All you need to do is update over here and input your photos, and you're gonna generate everything automatically, easily, fast. I just wanted to say, if your product is not a fashion product, I'm gonna leave the timestamp over here on the screen so you can go directly there to see how to generate your product photos. So I'm just gonna zoom in here so we can see what we are doing. And here's the whole workflow. Like I said, easy. It's very, very easy. So the first thing we need to do is come here in the add front image of your product. All you need to do is click add more image. Okay, so we've added here. Now, just to move around the workflow, you're gonna press space in your keyboard, and you're gonna come here to the back photo of your product. So I'm gonna add another image, and I'm just gonna add the back photo of my product. So in this case, we are doing the photo of these navy and white shorts. So after we uploaded the input photos, just the photo of your front and the back of your product, we're gonna work in this column over here. So let me just zoom in again. So everything is already automated. You only need to come here and click this arrow, and this is going to generate the text based in the input image that we just added here. It's gonna read the product that you uploaded here, and it's gonna create the prompt to generate the perfect image for your product. So it generated the prompt based on what it read. And before moving on, I'm gonna show you all the other ones. Like the first one, you only need to click the generate here. Everything is already set up in this workflow inside of ImagineArt, and it's gonna generate all the prompts for the detail photos, for the back photo. Everything will be perfect to create white background photos. Okay, so we generated all of the prompts in this column. Just an example, here's one prompt that was generated: ultra close-up product shot of the corner of a pair of shorts with bold navy blue and white chevron pattern. So it created the prompts based on the images we uploaded over there. So now let's go to the next column. So now we're gonna generate the product only images for your listing. Okay, so all you need to do is generate again. You're gonna come in the image and you're gonna click run. Okay, so while it's generating the photo, we can come here and also run the auto images because they are not connected. And as you can see, the nodes connect both the first input image and it's going to connect with the prompts that were just generated in order to create the image. Look at this. It's an incredible photo for the product based first on this very bad phone photo that I did. It created and generated this great product shot for a product listing that it's definitely gonna convert. Now while we're generating the second, we're just gonna repeat, we're gonna click run to each of the product photos over here. You can do them at the same time, it's no problem at all for this step. And here's the back one. Okay, so here all the generated product images looking really, really good. So here's the front product. We started with this. And now, in just a couple of seconds and minutes, we have all these product photos that look incredible. We can see the tails here, the texture of the fabric looking really, really good. Another detail shoot over here. We have another detail here, and we have the back of the product here. So all the photos are looking really, really good. I will show you in a second how to download all of them. Very simple. So after we generated the product photo, it's time to generate the model shoots. Let me zoom in again. So here we have all of the prompts here. And as you can see, the nodes are connected from the first image, which is of course connected to the prompt and to the product photos we had. So now, in order to generate all of them, we're gonna do by steps. So the first thing is to generate the first prompt. Let me zoom in again. Okay, so here's the first one. We're gonna first generate the prompt over here, just like before. So it generated the prompt to create the product, to create the model photos. And you can just check it here if it's of your liking, if it's matching the brand vibes that you have. So a stylish fashion model poses confidently in a bright white and light gray photography studio wearing navy blue and white chevron pattern shorts with a playful tasty trim along the hem. The model pairs the striking geometric shorts with vividly contrasting mustard yellow off the shoulder blouse and adds a bold pop of color to the ensemble. So I like the outfit, and in case you didn't like something, you can generate it again, or you can directly change your prompt over here. But because I think the prompt is looking really, really good, I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna generate the first image. So this time we're gonna generate each image individually. So after we generate this one, we can go generate the next prompts and the next images because they are all connected to this image in order to create a consistency of models and of products. Okay, so we have the first image generated. Now, as you can see, the first image is connected to all the next images and also to the text that is gonna generate the prompts. So all you have to do now is run the second text node, and it's gonna generate the prompt for the second image based in the first image. Okay, so as you can see, we have the second image. Let me zoom in. So as you can see, because they are connected, we have the consistency of the model. We have the very same model, the same outfit. Everything is looking great, very professional. So now we're gonna generate the third text. Just click the run. Now that our text prompt is ready, I'm just gonna run the image. So here we have the third image, also looking great. Now let's generate the last one. And again, just click run, come here and generate the last image. Okay, so now we have all the image generated, looking very, very good, very consistent, same model. The product, it's looking great. So now I'm gonna show you how to download all the images we generated over here. And you're gonna simply click in download. So we're gonna do this for all the images over here. So we're gonna do it for all the images we generated, both for the product only photos. Now we're going to do the same for the model photos. Just click the image, download it. Just gonna download all of them. So in just a few minutes, we generated all these great product photos and model photos you can use for a product listing. We could even generate a video like this, but let's leave it for another tutorial. Now we are back at the homepage of ImagineArt. and we're gonna go to the image creation and create image. So I will show you how to create a product photo. I'm using these very bad photos again from this mural. And now for the prompt, you can copy this one that I'm showing you here, and then you're gonna change it, this part, to what product you're using. So I'm just gonna write a small desk, maybe better small vanity mirror, to be used as a primary photo of a product listing on an e-commerce. And here are my reference photos we just added. Down here you can find the model. So here are all the available models that work with reference photos. They have a lot of great models available here. By the way, there is an original model here called ImagineArt 1.5, which is great for ultra realistic photos. I will show you just some quick regenerations that I did with this model to show you how amazing and ultra realistic they are. I just wanted to quickly tell you about it, but we'll go back to the video now and I will do another video about it very soon. I will go with Nano Banana 2, which is very good. And down here, I want to show you there's the prompt enhancer. I recommend it to leave it always active, especially if you're a beginner. It's going to help you create even better image generations. And down here, you can also choose the number of variations and the resolution. Because we are working with photo of products, I would recommend you to use at least the 2K or even better the 4K. So now let's select the 2K at least or the 4K, and then you're gonna go back here and you're gonna click on create to generate your image. Now here's the image generated. It looks very high-end, even though that was a simple IKEA mirror that I took the bad photo with my phone, and it's looking really good. And if you want, you can also remove the background. You can use the function here called remove background, and it's gonna remove and create a background, like a white background. So you can choose whatever you prefer. I actually must say that I even like the beige background photo. It's looking really high-end. You can choose whatever fits better your product image and your brand. So now you have it, how to create product photos for any product with high quality image. And if you are an agency or a growing brand, with ImagineArt teams, you can add up to 40 people in your team, share a single credit pool, and stop juggling 5 different AI subscriptions. Now that you know how to generate incredible photo products to your listing, you may want to promote your products also on Pinterest. If that's you, make sure to watch this next video where I teach you how to do Pinterest marketing as a beginner.